Today we want to go over a new secRMM feature that enhances integration with Azure. What we're doing is we've integrated the secRMM Excel add-in to be able to parse and process the information being sent up to the Azure log. So on a secRMM configured computer, you can set this information and any events that get generated, the security events by secRMM, will get sent to your Azure tenant. And then inside your Azure tenant, you have a log analytics workspace, and we just called it secRMM log analytics, and the log name ends up being secRMM_CL, CL for custom log. So then when you open the Excel add-in, you can see there's a new checkbox here. And let me just go back in time and get some old data. Okay. And now what's happening is the Excel add-in is going out to Azure and pulling in all the information from the log analytics. And let's look at a file right. So here's a file that got copied to a USB drive inside of a Azure virtual machine, and the physical machine where the RDP session was occurring was this secRMM demo 2, and the computer in the cloud was called VDI-0, and this was the user. And here's the file that got copied, and here's the device information. Okay, so this video is just to show you that now we're pretty much parallel between our on-premise and our cloud integrations with Microsoft Intune and Azure Monitor workbooks and Azure Logs, which is equivalent to what secRMM integration looks like inside of Microsoft Configuration Manager. So I hope this gives you a brief introduction on the new feature in the secRMM Excel add-in. Thank you very much, and have a good day.